5 tips to prevent cheating on Google Form quiz. Shuffling questions. Randomize questions. Avoid cheating by shuffling questions. Go to Settings and select the Shuffle Question Order option to shuffle questions on the Google Forms quiz. Use timer. You can't use a timer on Google Forms, but you can use a time or add a time add-on in Google Forms like Form Timer to time a quiz on Google Form. This would help in eliminating cheating among students. Locking/monitoring. Teachers can enable locked mode on Chromebooks, Google Forms settings, or simply monitor screens of all students by using screen sharing software. Page sections. The page sections option in Google Forms prevents the students from previewing. Split the form into sections so that students can't access the next section before answering the previous sections. Make a better quiz. Teachers must develop better quizzes and avoid questions that can be Googled easily. Asking application-used questions rather than direct ones would restrict cheating.
For more such content, follow us at upEducators.